Hey boys, what are you at? Travis here, and man, oh man, oh man, what a past couple of days it has been here. Holy cow. Talking about weather, holy jeez. Man, I am not handsome with no hair on my face. I'm here with Belle too. Hey Belle, what you do, girl? What you doing? What you doing, my little puppy wuppy? Trying to take a little nappy? You're just mad that Dad's not here, aren't you? So pretty much what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go out now and try to shovel some of this. It was literally like Noah's Ark out the past couple of days. It literally snowed heavily, 100%, like 2 days in a row here. It was unbelievable, the kind of snowfall that we've had. And I'll just open up this window for you, and there it is. That is literally, like, the snow is literally up to our window, like up in our dining room window, which is fairly tall off the ground. This is what fell, like, here, let me show you. This is what fell last night. Holy shit. This is what fell. Literally, our doorway is blocked. This is what we got to deal with. That's what I got to go out and shovel now. That's what I got to go out and shovel. So literally, that is all the amount of snow that fell last night. We can't get in the doorway. Bella's here in the house, stuck. We can't move. We're literally trapped thanks to Mother Nature. So pretty much that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go out and start shoveling that, and I'll see what I can do. Okay, so I'm outside trying to get this mountain of friggin' snow out of the way. Holy cow. Bella's enjoying it. Hey, Belle. Yeah, you're enjoying it. Holy cow. So what I got to do is I got to try and get this away from the doorway because it's literally just blocking our view. Oh boy, this is going to take me forever.